Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to disable or turn off Gemini in the Google Chrome browser on your Windows PC, laptop, MacBook, or Chromebook. If this guide helps you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Let's get started. If you see the Gemini icon in the top right corner of Chrome, you can quickly remove it by right-clicking the icon and selecting Unpin. This removes the shortcut from your toolbar. To disable Gemini features inside Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and open Settings. In the left sidebar, click AI Innovations. Depending on your Chrome version, you may see several AI-powered features listed here. Open each option and switch it off. Google may add new AI features over time, so simply disable any AI options you don't want to use. Next, go to System and then Open on Device AI. Turn this option off to stop Chrome from running Gemini AI features directly on your device. If you still see AI mode in the Chrome address bar, there's one more setting to change. Click the address bar and type Chrome//flags. Press Enter, then use the search box at the top and search for AI mode. If you find AI mode Omnibox entry point set to enabled, change it to disabled. This will remove AI mode from the address bar. That's it. These are the main steps to disable Gemini and other AI features in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.